We love registration. We want it to be easy and fun for everyone. We came from that space where our customers were super frustrated with the software solutions in the marketplace. They weren't able to do it quickly. It took 15 to 20 minutes in some cases to complete the process of registration, scheduling, signing documents, etc. We went from that to a 30 to 90-second process for our customers now, with the ability for them to fill out the forms they need on the fly easily. We've connected our system with a leading platform called SignNow as one of our partners through our API integration. This digital documents allows our customers to do what they need to do, sign what they need to sign through their phone. It also imports the data from their registration, adding a lot less steps. Our philosophy is to make it more enjoyable for everyone involved. It went from being a chore to do registration, I have to sit down and do this, to it being like, oh, I can just do this really easily in step by steps and get what I need to do done faster.